That's development and institutional relations as against advancement. The repositioning is a response of the unit to BENIL's strategic breakthrough goals of innovation and inclusion. That the center would now be more focused on ideation, communication, innovation, and resource generation. We push and advance the strategic goals of the institution. Yes, other offices could do advancement work, but we wanted to institutionalize and centralize those efforts. We don't want to control, but we want to provide a framework for them to partner with other institutions so that our efforts are concerted and directed to address and respond to the strategic objectives. There will be more, it would have higher impact in terms of servicing the community because now we are more focused and directed in terms of our efforts. The centers under advancement would now be the Center for Institutional Communications, or CIC, the Museum of Contemporary Art and Design, or MCAD, and the former Center for Linkages and Advancement, CLA, which is now Center for Partnership and Resource Management. There are also per center mandates, like for example for CIC. It's really about not only catering to the internal communications, but also bringing out the good stories of BENIL in the public. MCAD, I would like to see MCAD working more closely with the international diplomatic communities and working also with the local art scene, not only catering to the design and arts sophistication and sensibility of Benildians and Lasallians, but also the public in a more contextualized. The CPRM is a bit unique because now the mandate has been strengthened and expanded into bringing in non-traditional or bringing in resources from non-traditional sources. But for the longest time, BENIL has been relying heavily on internal resources from tuition fees. But now we would like to look at through partnerships and linkages and business innovation and business development that we could bring in more resources to fund those internal needs of BENIL. So we would like to look at now the CPRM as the lead in terms of bringing in those resources that we need. My vision for the advancement office is for the centers to be more synergized. Like CIC would be more collaborative with CPRM because the Center for Partnership and Resource Management would need a lot of marketing, brand, collateral when they approach sponsors and donors. I would like to see CIC also working closely with MCAD in terms of communicating MCAD. And I would like to see also CPRM working closely with MCAD in terms of bringing in partners. And also CPRM supporting CIC in terms of its marketing, even its communications initiatives. So the synergy, because I could see that the thread among the centers, it's now 3 at the moment, but who knows that other centers might be joining us or might be born out of this advancement initiative of the office. I think my background in academics would help me a lot because I would understand what are the needs in the academics, which is the business of BENIL, academics. So because I have years of background being in the academics department, then I could understand the needs of the main community of BENIL. I would consider myself a collaborative person that for the last 8 or 9 years that I've been here in BENIL, I've been working closely not only to the centers or units or departments under the office where I'm assigned, but I work closely with the other stakeholders in the community. For me, relationship with the other units, that's very important. And collaborative in the sense that the more stakeholders I could bring in a project, in a program, or in a production, the better it will be.